So hello and welcome to Mixologist. What I'm doing today is I want to finish the restoration of this list 1848 carbs so that I can ship it back to the to the owner so I can put in his car and enjoy his car. But before I do that, I want to show you something that is very particular of early Holley carbs, and here it is. Early Holley carbs, I don't know if you can see it here, but they have a balance tube between the primary and the secondary that is made of bronze, so that you can see it's all nice and polished here. And they have the additional fuel transfer tube here, so they have both, and that's a rarity of this sort of units. Now, if you find one like this, it is extremely important that you preserve this. So there is a metal washer and a rubber O-ring that goes here, and the same thing in here, but I've reassembled it around here. Now it's extremely important that you preserve this. Why? Because they are unobtainable. So if you got one of these, when you disassemble it, you need to really be careful to preserve this, because if not, you're going to be in a whole heap of trouble and the carb is going to leak there. So that's not really a winner. So that's my top tip for today. When you see one of these early carbs with the bronze transfer tube, always preserve this, because you're not going to be able to obtain it. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of just put all this unit together and hopefully just get it ready to send it to the customer. So here's the unit ready to ship to the customer. So I'll show you a bit of kind of close up all the processes that we had to do to save this unit. So here, the new vacuum pod. This was just not here. Obviously, I took off the screw that was here to make it kind of poor man's double pumper. That's no longer there. This carb is now a vacuum secondary carb, as it should be. And well, obviously everything was clean, and the base plate what I did is I skimmed the base plate a little bit and I filled up this area here just in case it doesn't create a vacuum leak. So, and obviously I polished the bronze pipe there, which is always quite good. So this unit is now ready to be shipped to the customer, and it took quite a lot of work, and this job is not going to be cheap, but this carb is worth it. So it's such a rare unit that it's worth saving just because of that. So thank you very much for watching. Leave your comments, and if you want me to do any other carb or that kind of stuff, just put it in the comments. I'll try to get it. I've got so many projects. I've got like 6 months worth of projects in the wings. So